Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Santonic Ice Maker's Countertop, 2-size bullet ice optional, self-cleaning portable ice maker with scoop and basket. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Portable ice scoop and basket. Only 14 pounds lightweight and compact size, equipped with a 2.4 pounds capacity removable ice basket and ice maker scoop. Our portable ice maker countertop is easy to carry and store. Suitable for home, kitchen, office, bar, camping, RV, and parties. 2 sizes of bullet-shaped ice cubes. Our ice maker machine has 2 sizes of ice cubes to be selected. S&L stylish bullet-shaped ice cubes won't stick together easily, scratch prevention, melting speed is slow with the high hardness. Perfect for cold drinks, frozen food, or first aid. You could see the ice making process through the transparent window. Fast and intelligent ice maker. Santonic ice machine countertop with a 1.3 liters water tank, produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice cubes per day. With 6 to 8 minutes cycles, produce up to 9 pieces bullet-shaped ice cubes at a time. Enjoy ice without anxiety anytime. Note: please transfer the ice cubes to the refrigerator if you not use immediately. Self-cleaning function. Portable ice cube maker comes with an advanced self-cleaning function. Press the on/off button for 5 seconds after adding water, it will self-cleaning for 20 minutes and automatically exit. One-click cleaning operation without tedious disassembly. Periodic cleaning helps to prolong the service life of the ice maker. Smart reminder indicator. Countertop ice maker has advanced infrared sensor. The ice full indicator remind you to take out ice and stop ice making to prevent overflowing when the basket is full. It automatically stops making ice when it lack of water. The add water indicator will alert you to add water. Low noise and simple control panel. The noise is lower than 35 dB when making ice cubes, not affect your daily work, sleeping and entertainment. Smart control panel is easy to operate. Fill the reservoir, switch the power on, then select small or large ice cubes. Enjoy fresh ice after 3 easy steps. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.